Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying the source drive and preparing the target. Run a smart test, free space to under 90%, and note total used GB. Once done, connect the new SSD with an adapter. Make sure its capacity equals or exceeds the used space. Create a bootable recovery USB and disable BitLocker or any encryption so cloning writes raw partitions. Open the cloning utility. Choose sector by sector only when necessary. Otherwise, use Intelligent Clone to preserve alignment and partition sizes. You now execute the clone. Pick the source SSD, then the new SSD as destination, and enable SSD optimizations like trim alignment. Choose Intelligent Clone to copy only used data, but include EFI, MSR, and recovery partitions. That keeps boot functionality intact. Start cloning, watch the progress, and confirm checksums if the tool offers them. Once it finishes, shut down the PC. Do not hot swap unless supported. Physically replace the old drive with the new one, ensuring M.2 screws or SATA cables are secure. You should boot the machine and enter BIOS. Set the new SSD as the primary boot device, and confirm controller mode is ASI or NVMe as applicable. If the drive shows extra unallocated space, use disk management to expand the Windows partition or create a data volume, and then re-enable BitLocker after confirming stable boots. If the system fails to boot, run automatic repair, rebuild the EFI boot entries with command prompt tools, or reconnect the original SSD to recover files before retrying the clone.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.